The Brillianetor editor allows you to create interesting social AI scenarios, recipes. The creation process is bottom-up, beginning with basic behaviors through complex behaviors and ending with their assignment to desires, the goals the actors may need to achieve. The basic behaviors come preloaded with the game. They are the basic actions the game's actors can perform. Additionally, queries are also preloaded with the game. We begin by creating a lower-level complex behavior. Select Enemy. In the draft screen, drag New Complex Behavior node and rename it. From the basic behaviors, drag Define Target Basic Behavior. By dragging two instances of this behavior, we've set a size constraint on a team that may perform this action of enemy selection. In the Properties pane, we set the possible roles for this behavior to our army for both instances of Find Target. In the Select Enemy node, we set the relation type to OR to require any one of the two members of the self-assigned team to pick the target. We export this new complex behavior. Next, we create the Move and Attack complex behavior, again starting by dragging new behavior to the draft pane and renaming it. We then drag the Move to Enemy and the Shoot basic behaviors under the Move and Attack node. Here, under Move and Attack, we can add conditions, in this case post conditions, meaning the conditions to exit this specific behavior node. The default relations between Move to Enemy and Shoot is Next, meaning that on exiting Move to Enemy, the next behavior is Shoot. We also assign post conditions to Shoot. Shoot until it is dead or out of range. Export this behavior. Finally, we create the highest level complex behavior, Attack Together. This includes our previously created Select Enemy and Attack Enemy behaviors. To have this behavior recipe be acted upon, we need to assign it to a desire an actor might have. By right-clicking the desire's root in the left pane, we add a new desire and rename it to Attack. We then add a root behavior to it, Attack Together, with a utility score of 1. We also need to define a world state for it, have the desire to attack if enemy exists. Similarly, you can create actions and desires to patrol, to have enemy patrols, and to do pretty much anything the actors can do in the game.